Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the next topic, that is accounting of reserves and accumulated profit and losses. Here we have to pass journal entries: reserve account debit, profit and loss, credit balance, workman compensation reserve debit, investment fluctuation reserve debit to all partners, capital or current account. This is transfer of reserve to the capital accounts of the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. But opposite to it, if there are not profit, if there are accumulated losses, then reverse entry will be passed. Here partners capital account will be debited to profit and loss if there is debit balance to deferred revenue expense, that means advertisement suspense account. This information will be given in the balance sheet. Advertisement suspense account, that will be given in the asset side of the balance sheet. How to treat workman compensation reserve? This is the condition: when the claim against workman compensation reserve does not exist. If no compensation is exist, then you have to pass one single entry: workman compensation reserve account debit to partners capital account. Later I will explain you with the help of an example. Just now go through the journal entries. When claim for workman compensation exist. So three kinds of situation: when the compensation and the reserve are equal, when the compensation claim is less than the reserve, and third condition, when compensation claim is more than the amount of reserve. So there will be three situations. Let's see how you will treat. Let's learn with the help of an example. ABC, three partners are there. 4:3:2 is the ratio. Share of profit sharing in the future will be 2:3:4. So this is old ratio, this will be future ratio. In the balance sheet, liability side, workman compensation reserve is given 90,000. When no, so these are the cases. In different cases, we will treat the different and pass the different journal entry. When no information as to the claim is given, so that means when against this 90,000 no claim will be given. At that time, simple journal entry will be passed: workman reserve, that means distribution of reserve among the partners capital account. Workman compensation reserve debited with 90,000, and we will divide this into the partners in old ratio, that is 4:3:2, 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000 when no claim against these reserve is given. When there is no claim, second case with same entry will be passed as we passed the entry in the first case. What will happen in the third case? When a claim on account of workman compensation is 45,000. Claim is of 45,000 but reserves are of 90,000. So claim is of less amount. So then the entry will be workman compensation reserve, we have 90,000. Claim is of 45,000 and the rest amount will be distributed among the partners, and this rest amount, that means 45,000, will be distributed among the partners in old profit sharing ratio when the reserves are more and the claim is of less amount. In that case, case 4, when a claim on account of workman compensation is 99,000. When a claim on account of workman compensation is 99,000, here claim is more and reserves are less. When the claim is more, reserves are less, the workman compensation reserve debited 90,000. This is revaluation, kind of a loss. Debited 9,000 to workman compensation claim 99,000, and this 9,000 will be distributed among the partners, a kind of loss. So that is why all partners will be debited to revaluation account 9,000. This 9,000 will be further distributed among the partners. Last, when a claim on account of workman compensation is 90,000. So that means here claim is of 90,000, reserves are also 90,000. Case of equal claim and reserve. So here we will pass simple journal entry, workman compensation reserve account debited with 90,000 to workman compensation claim 90,000. So these are the journal entries which are related with the workman compensation reserve. Hope you understand. Thank you.